Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva Presenter View for Zoom. This powerful feature provides two separate windows, one for your audience and one for you, the presenter. The audience window shows only your slides, ensuring a clean, professional look. Meanwhile, your presenter window displays your current slide, a preview of the next slide, and all your private notes, helping you deliver a smooth and confident presentation. Before jumping into Zoom, first prepare your presentation within Canva. Open your desired presentation and confirm all your slides and speaker notes are complete. Next, locate and click the Present button, typically found in the top right corner of your Canva editor. From the available options, choose Presenter View. This action will automatically open two distinct browser windows, setting the stage for your seamless presentation. Now, let's connect Canva to your Zoom meeting. Once your Zoom meeting is active, click the green Share Screen button at the bottom. It's crucial to select only the audience window from Canva, not your entire screen or the presenter window. This ensures your participants see only your slides, while your notes remain visible to you. Double-check that the correct window is highlighted before you click Share. With your screen shared, you are ready to deliver your presentation. Utilize your presenter window to smoothly navigate through your slides and reference your private notes. You can advance slides using the on-screen arrows or your keyboard's arrow keys. If the audience window becomes distracting, simply minimize it on your end. This setup allows you to present confidently, maintaining a professional appearance while keeping all your helpful cues hidden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.